I said, it was originally started construction in 1828 when they started to build it. It was completed in 1832, ran until 1850. And what they would do here, they smelted bog iron.
Okay.
Which is a lot different than the iron you find out in the Midwest. Because bog iron you recover out of the swamps, out of the bogs. And we are surrounded by swamps. Wow. Oyster shells, charcoal, and bog iron. That's what they would dump into that hole at the very top, and they'd layer that.